Now we could spend a whole week walking through all the Foretravels you have on your lot here, but this is a special one owner Realm super smoking deal next door on that 15.
Smoking deal, yeah.
But what's the story with this 2020?
One owner, guy took excellent care of his motorhome, always stored it indoors. Got a really bad to the bone lift on the back for motorcycle, so you can still tow your vehicle and carry a 600-pound motorcycle if you want to. Not everybody's cup of tea, but if you're looking for that, I've got it.
That's probably 15 grand, I think, if someone was going to have that put on.
Easy, easy. And in-motion Starlink and 28,000 miles, so it's got a lot going for it.
Low mile, one owner with the Starlink and the motorcycle lift. You said this is the LV3 floor plan, I believe. As soon as we open the door on these Foretravels, you know, the inlay and the indirect lighting on the door. And then if you look closely at the entry tile work, just incredible craftsmanship. Well, this even smells like a new Foretravel. You can tell this has been very well cared for.
Absolutely. We get a lot of really nice high-end pieces in, and people that they just take good care of their stuff.
It's gonna be on the Spartan K4 chassis. It has a 20,000 pound towing capacity. Cummins X15 with 605 horsepower. Nice little Brew Express coffee maker here. I love these Foretravel galleys. This is a bath and a half coach, so you've got a good size half bathroom, and I love the way Foretravel does that tile work, kind of a third up the wall just to break it up. This has got the hardwired switches too. Some of the newer coaches go to those more touch panels like we just saw in that Zephyr. I personally prefer just a hardwired switch and not have to go through, you know, screens. My personal preference. Looks like we got some good pantry space here. You can see inside of these cabinets, it's going to be all lined with carpet with adjustable shelving. Looks like a RV king size bed back here, and you know the Realm has that really cool ceiling decor. We've got a TV on a televator, again, cool decor that Motorhomes of Texas does. And then the big part about this floor plan is this huge walk-in rear bathroom. Does have an emergency egress door, and check out this closet space. You've got an inlay on the closet doors to give you that high-end feel, and then huge closet with cabinets built into the closet. We can see some extra dinette chairs, very well lit. But I think if someone wanted to turn this into a bunk too, I don't think that would be that hard to throw a mattress in there if you had a small one that wanted to be close to the mom and dad. And then look at the mosaic tile work here in this corner shower. And then again, that tile work that matches what we saw in the entryway, just beautiful design by Foretravel. We do have a stackable washer and dryer here in the corner. And I really like what they do with the multi-tiered countertop, just a really great floor plan overall.